Hey guys, welcome to Brian's Man Cave. So I'm going to continue on with my little series of classic arcade games on the Commodore 64. So my first video I did was on Donkey Kong, and that's the one I played a lot when I was a kid. I had a lot of these classic, arcade games on the Commodore 64. More times than not, I got to play them at home than I did in the actual arcades. I didn't go to the arcades too often, especially when I was really young. We didn't really have one close by, and it was pretty much birthday parties, like going to Chuck E. Cheese and all that type of stuff, where I'd actually get to play on these arcade systems. So a lot of them I did end up playing on my Commodore 64. Some of them on the Intellivision, but not too many. Anyways, let's get to Dig Dug. So I don't think I really played this game too often. It's one of those games that I thought was kind of interesting. After a while, I just kind of stopped playing and move on to another game. But let's check it out anyways, because this one's actually a pretty decent version. So we have our check difficulty. This has a very similar setup screen like the Donkey Kong game, where it's just like how many players you want. And then you got a carrot. I guess that's an onion, a mushroom. Is that a pickle or a cucumber? And that's an eggplant. Green pepper, I think. A tomato? And what is that? Okay, I don't know what that is. You can put a comment down below if you know what that is. But I'm not making that out. It looks like something from Super Mario Brothers that's under the sea. We got a watermelon. Maybe it's an anchovy. Got a watermelon and... Oh, that's the ship, I think, from is it Galaxian or Galaga or something like that. Anyways, let's play the game. So I got it set for one player, because I don't want two players going in. It's weird that there's no sound there. He just comes out quietly, and then all of a sudden the sound hits you. Let's go. Well, there we go. So you blew up our first guy. I wonder why they make the music stop when you're pumping the guy up. When he's the last guy, he'll probably make a run for it, so I have to be quick. Okay, so there's no real transition screen in this game. One thing I always forget to do is utilize the boulders. You can do that type of thing. Oh no! Oh. It's like so many of them came after me at once there. These guys, they stay in their little hole for a while, and then eventually they start to come on through. Uh-oh. Come on up. Oh! Toasted. Toasted. See if I can go this way. Gotta be careful with this guy. Uh-oh. I forgot the last guy makes a break for it. Boom. Such an interesting concept for a game. I mean, I kind of wonder what people were thinking when they invented these games back in the day. Like, how about a game where you dig in and into the ground and you blow up people? Or you blow up dragons or something, Whatever these things are that you're blowing up. It's just very, gruesome if you think about it. You're filling them up to the point where they just explode. I'd like to see, like, a modern take on this where their guts come flying out at you or something. Oops. Didn't want to go that way. Oh no, he was faster than me. I was going to try and lure him to that boulder so I could crush him. Oh, I squished myself. Okay, you're not supposed to squish yourself. That's for sure. I'm going to go after this guy over here. Oh, he toasted me. Wow. Okay. I didn't get too far there. Let's mess around with some of the levels. F5 for difficulty. I gotta find it on my keyboard here. Let's go. Let's try the most challenging one. I'm assuming that would be the most challenging one anyways. Let's see what we get. I'm not sure what makes the game harder. Oh, maybe that's it. Tons of them. Oh. It's tough because you can only kind of blow up one at a time, right? So if there's two guys together, makes it a little bit more difficult to, I guess you have to wait for them to separate from each other. Oh, there was two there. I didn't even see that. They were walking at the exact same time. Okay. Just gonna keep pushing this until my thumb breaks off. Oh, they came up behind me. Wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Holy. Okay, there's obviously a strategy to this. Perhaps I'm not fit for playing on the later levels. Oh. Am I playing a two-player game? Oh, it looks like I'm playing a two-player game. I'm like, why is each one different? I didn't even realize. Maybe I have to reset it to play. Maybe it defaults to a two-player game. Drop the boulder on him. This guy's scary. He's gonna blow fire at me. Squish him. Yes. Oh. Hey, that little plane thing appeared. Well, that was weird. You know, the great thing about this game is that it's just kind of like some of the other ones like Qbert, where the graphics don't have to be perfect for the game to be fun. In fact, if you play this on the Atari 2600, it's actually a pretty good game. It's a really good version of it. You know, having those extra little better looking graphics never hurts, but I truly believe this is one game that doesn't always require the, you know, the perfect graphics to pull it off. Oh no. Yeah. That didn't, Oh, I guess my other man is still alive. Not for long. Poof. Now, why did I end up in a two-player game? Oh. Press F3 for a one-player game. See, I guess it defaults to, there we go. It looks weird because you see the word two and you think that I'm going to be doing a two-player game, but it's press F3 for two-player game. I remember always getting confused with that on the Donkey Kong as well. Let's try something that's kind of in between here. Let's do the eggplant. We always like eggplant. Looks like we're in kind of a Arctic area here. A little bit of snow, nice, maybe. Oops. Oh, gee. I hate that when there's two of them right on top of each other. You can't tell that there's two critters there. Man, I suck at this game. Right now, probably a lot of people are yelling at the screen. You're not supposed to do it that way. This game gets hard fast. Oh. Turn it. He moves too slow. He moves too slow. Okay. Yeah. I'm not getting it. Let's just do one quick more. Let's go to that weird thing. The thing I still don't know what it is. Could be an anchovy. I don't know. There's my little guy. We're gonna go down this time. Pretty sure there's only one here. Okay. Oh. Ah. Now, you know what would be cool? Playing this with 2 players at the same time. You know, having 2 or 3 players playing. Then you can kind of gang up on these guys. A little couch co-op going on. Oh, I ran into him. I love that fire effect, though. There's 2 of them? Not fair. I am just bad at this version of the game. Probably bad at all of them then. I don't know. Yeah, this one's kind of it's a nice version. I mean, it does really give you the arcade feel. It looks nice. I mean, it's tough. I was able to get okay in the earlier round there, but trying those later difficulties really didn't go by too well. Anyways, yeah, that's Dig Dug for the Commodore 64. I've played this on a few other platforms. I'm not sure. I think I might have even done a video on the television one. I can't remember now. But yeah, it's a fun game no matter how you play it. Anyways, let me know what you think. What's your favorite version of Dig Dug? Throw it down in the comments below. Hope you subscribe, and we'll talk to you later.